Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing how to create a timer on thunkable. So we'll go to thunkable here. So the people who have watched my earlier videos must know how to go to thunkable, but the people who haven't watched my videos do so. Okay. I'm on thunkable, so I'd like to announce that thunkable can only hold up to 10 apps, but if you're on thunkable pro you can put more apps. So I'll click on create a new app and enter timer. Click on create and it would get me to my workspace. I'll get two labels. Now I must make sure that number 1 is on top of number 2. I'll get a text input, a label and a button. I'll type the text start. I'll put this label empty. I'll type timer time. I must be really specific while writing this. It should be told nicely. Seconds only. Seconds only. Okay, I'm done with this, and the other label's text would be timer. Okay. Now I'll change the background color to red, and I'll change this. I'll change this color to. I'll change text color to black and the background color to orange. Yeah. So this is my favorite color combination, but you can make any other combination as you like. Go to. Now I'll code this app. I'll click on button 1, and when button 1 press, it should do a specific thing. So I'll take this if loop, and if loop has a starting value, an end value and an interval value, also known as an increasing value. Now I'll click on text input. From text input, I'll grab this block over here. I'll change this hint to text. Okay, I'm done with this. Now I'll get another loop, but this time this is not an if loop, this is an repeat loop, and I'll change this to from text input get text. So I'll again change hint with text. Okay, now we are done with this. So I'm putting this over here because you don't know what number the viewer will enter. So the seconds you want this timer to be would be in this text input. So we can directly get the number from that text input. Now we'll go to controls and we'll drag and drop this block, which is wait for 1 second. So we are using this cause we have to wait for 1 second by increasing the number so that it gets more, that so that it always changes 1 second. Now we'll click on label 3. We'll get this block, and from variables we'll get I. So I is the variable in the if loop. We can change the name, but I like I. So we are done with this. After you have coded and designed your app, you have to test your app. So I'll give it 2 and I'll click on start. Tick tick 1 and tick tick 2. So my app is working. Now you can beta test it. Beta test is sending your app to your friends and get their suggestions on how is the app and their feedback on what you can improve. So this is just one part of this app. Wait for my second video. In my second video, I'll add more features to the single app. That's it from me today.